Let's learn about previous year. Previous year is defined under section 3 of the Income Tax Act. Previous year is the financial year in which income is earned. So always you have to remember it runs from April 1st to March 31st. Tax is not paid in the same year of earning the income, but instead it is taxed in the next assessment year, immediately following the previous year. So here you have to remember income earned in the previous year is taxed in the assessment year. Example, income earned between 1st April 2025 to 31st March 26. So previous year is April 1st 25 to 31st March 26. Assessment year will be April 1st 26 to March 31st 27. But new business or profession, for a newly set up business or profession, previous year will begin from the date of setting up the business until the March 31st. Then exceptions are there in the case of non-shipping business and all, where tax may be taxed in the same year itself. Thank you.